tender corn from the traditional green maize fields in Sri Lanka. Proceeding with dually picked up fresh corn cobs, which are immatured. This is the most suitable and effective elements someone who could on natural fruits. Tender corn present by the SLNI Ecogreen foods under the safe packing condition, which are easy to consume either household and hotels as your willing and your great occasion. Our goal is presenting a delicious element among your unique dreams. We are SLNI Ecogreen Foods. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for the videos. Thank you.